Welcome to Rose Quartz Radio. Take a deep breath and let your intuition choose which glass is calling your name. Glass 1, glass 2, or glass 3. Pause here if you need a moment. Now let's see what your choice says about your energy and your future.
If you choose glass 1, this is a beautiful sign that celebration is entering your life. Good news is on the way. Something worth smiling about, dressing up for, and toasting to. You're stepping into a season where things feel lighter, softer, and more aligned. There's an elegance to your energy, a natural grace. You likely have a very classic, refined style. You appreciate quality, beauty, and timeless things. And now, life is beginning to reflect that back to you. You don't have to rush or force anything. What's meant for you is arriving with ease, and it's gonna feel right. So get ready to celebrate. This is your reminder. Something good is unfolding for you right now. Watch our good news video on this channel to affirm and be ready to receive. I'm so excited for you. If you chose glass 2, this is your confirmation that you're stepping into a more powerful version of yourself. There's a shift happening in your mindset, your standards, and the way you move. You're becoming more clear, more decisive, and less available for anything that doesn't match your level. This energy is very sharp, elevated, and intentional. You likely carry yourself with quiet confidence. You observe more than you speak. And when you make a move, it matters. This is a season of money moves, alignment, and upgrades. Opportunities may be presenting themselves, but they require you to trust your discernment. Not everything is for you anymore. And that's a good thing. You're not here to play small. You're here to rise strategically. And everything about your life is beginning to reflect that. If you chose this glass, go watch You Decide Clarity and Clear Path on Rose Quartz Radio. Affirm and connect with this vibe. That message was made for you. Your next chapter is gonna be divine. If you chose glass 3, you are in a deeply transformative and beautiful season. This is about healing, alignment, transforming for the better, and becoming the version of you that naturally attracts what she desires. There's a softness to your energy right now, but it's not weakness. It's magnetism, it's sexiness, beauty, and natural gifts. You likely have a very intuitive, feminine, and emotionally intelligent presence. You feel things deeply, and you're learning how to turn that into power instead of confusion. Things may feel like they're unfolding quietly, behind the scenes, but trust that everything is aligning in your favor. You are releasing what no longer serves you, and making space for something more beautiful. You don't have to chase what's meant for you. It's already being drawn to you. If you chose this glass, go watch the Divine Glow Up video on Rose Quartz Radio. That message will find you exactly where you are. I'm deeply proud of you.
And no matter which glass you chose, just know this: something beautiful is unfolding for you. Whether it's love, elevation, healing, or a moment worth celebrating, it's all making its way to you now. Trust the timing, trust your path, and most importantly, trust yourself. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and return to Rose Quartz Radio whenever you need to realign. Your next level is already calling you. I'll see you in the next message. Cheers! I affirm you, I am happy for you.